So today I'll be showing you how to use apps in split screen mode on your Samsung phone. So this is very simple. So open one of the apps you want to use in split screen mode, and then you want to go into multitasking mode. Now to do that, if you're using gestures, that will be a swipe up and then release, and that takes you into multitasking mode. And if you're using buttons, that will be one of the multitasking button. So once I go into multitasking mode, just like that, I can pick any app. So let me pick the one I was using, tap on the app icon at the top here, and then from the menu that pops up, select open in split screen view. Now that's going to open up the app in the top half of the screen, and then at the bottom, I can select another app. So let's say I want to use the calculator here. So you can see now I have two apps. I have the calculator here, and I have the Google Play Store that I can use. So that is basically how to use two apps in split screen mode. Now you can use YouTube and another app. Maybe you can use YouTube and Google Docs and just maybe write whatever you're hearing in YouTube, whatever you want. Okay. Now the divider in the middle can be moved to increase the screen real estate that each of the apps occupy. So if you want more space for the bottom app, you can do that. If you want more space for the top app, you can do that as well. So also, if you want to, you can switch up the apps. So if you tap there, you can tap on the two arrows, and then the app at the bottom comes to the top and the one at the top comes to the bottom, and you can switch them up like that. Now, once you're done with multitasking mode or split screen mode, you can just swipe all the way down or all the way up to close one of the apps. So that is basically how to use apps in split screen on your Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.